Hello children, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today I am going to explain key of 18th November 2020 dated assignment solutions. This is from the understanding quadrilaterals. This assignment contains four sums. Let me explain one by one. Now the first question is, and the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Then find the measure of least angle. This is the first question. Here, in a quadrilateral, the ratio of the angles is given in quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, the ratio of angles. The ratio of angles is 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. We know that we have the 4 angles in the quadrilateral, the ratio of the angles. Let the angles be x degrees, 2 means 2x degrees, 3x degrees and 4x degrees. We know that in the quadrilateral, angle sum property, sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Sum of angles in quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So sum of three angles in a quadrilateral means your x degrees plus 2x degrees plus 3x degrees plus 4x degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So sum of 4 angles means here 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So 10x degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Then x degrees is equal to 360 by 10 is equal to 36 degrees. Now among these x, 2x, 3x, 4x. So x is less than 2x less than 3x less than 4x. Since then smallest angle is x is equal to 36 degrees. Our answer. What is the smallest angle? The smallest angle is 36 degrees. This is the first sum solution. Okay. So let us move on to the second one. Now the second question is, in a parallelogram PQRS, angle P is equal to 60 degrees. Find the other angles. Find the other angles. Yes, this is the second one. In a parallelogram PQRS, this is the parallelogram PQRS. In the parallelogram PQRS, it is given angle P is equal to 60 degrees. We need to find the angle Q, angle R and angle S. We know that in a parallelogram, sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. From this angle P adjacent angle is angle Q or angle S. So angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees. Angle P 60 given, 60 plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees. Then angle Q is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees is equal to 120 degrees. So what I got the angle Q? 120 degrees. At the same time, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. We know that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So what are the opposite angles? Angle P opposite angle is angle R. So angle R is equal to angle P. That implies angle R is equal to 60 degrees. Since angle P is equal to 60. And angle S is equal to angle Q. Angle S is equal to angle Q. That implies angle S is equal to, already we find the angle Q 120. So 120 degrees. So angle S I got 120 degrees. Angle R I got 60 degrees. These are the remaining angles in the quadrilateral. This is the second sum solution. Let us move on to the third one. The below figure, hope is a parallelogram. Find the angles of the measures x, y, z. State the property you use to find them. That is the problem. So the given diagram is given in this way. H O P E. Here given H O P E is parallelogram, and also in the diagram itself given this angle is 40 degrees. This is the Z. This is the this is the Y, and this is the X. And this exterior angle also given 70 degrees. First, let us find the Y value. Angle Y is equal to 40 degrees. What is the reason? See, these two pair of opposite sides are parallel. See, EB parallel to HO. Since EB parallel to HO and HB is transversal. HB is transversal. Since alternate interior angles are equal. By this reason, angle Y is equal to 40. Next, Z plus 40 is equal to 70 degrees. Angle Z plus 40 is equal to 70 degrees. Reason, see, these two are parallel sides and transversal corresponding angles are equal, or exterior angle property. So, what are the parallel sides? HE parallel to OP and transversal is HO is transversal. Corresponding angles are equal. By this reason, so angle Z is equal to 70 minus 40 is equal to 30 degrees. So angle Z is equal to 30 degrees I got. Next, in triangle EPH, you know that sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. What are the sum of three angles here? S, Z, x plus 40 plus x plus 40 plus angle EPH. Angle EPH is equal to 180. Now x plus 40 plus, but angle EPH, this angle is equal to Z. Since the same reason, alternate interior angles. This one is equal to z is equal to 180. So x value equal to x plus 40 plus z value already we find 30 is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degrees. So x value 110, y value 40, z value 30 degrees. So this is the third sum solution. So let us move on to the last question, fourth one. See that there are the two parallelograms in the above figure. Risk and clue are parallelograms. Then find the value of x for questions. So diagram is given. See that this is the one of the parallelogram R I S K risk. Another parallelogram is given. Yes. C L U E. Okay. The angle between here O, this angle is x. We need to find the measure of angle x. Also given the angle K is 120 degrees and the angle L is 70 degrees. We need to find out. See, first let us find that in parallelogram RISK 120 plus angle S is equal to 180. The reason sum of adjacent angles. This is the parallelogram. In this parallelogram, this angle and this angle are supplementary. So from this, angle S is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. So this angle I got 60 degrees. Next, in a parallelogram CLUE, in parallelogram CLUE, angle L is equal to angle E, angle E is equal to angle L. So that implies angle E is equal to already angle L given 70. So this angle I got 70. Now in triangle EOS, in triangle EOS, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Then x plus 70 plus 60 is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 minus 130. So x is equal to 50 degrees. So this is our angle EOS. X is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, children.